In the rapidly growing township of Sungai Buloh, Selangor, another landmark is taking shape. 2 blocks of 44-story luxury condominiums rising into the skyline. But beneath the surface, before the concrete and steel touch the sky, the real groundwork begins. The cutting of over hundreds of deep foundation piles, each made from grade 80 Class B, reinforced concrete measuring 500 millimeters in diameter. It's a job that demands precision, endurance, and trust in your tools. And that's where COOLMAN GHOST 9-inch laser welded diamond blade comes in. The contractor's weapon of choice, a Toku 9-inch pneumatic air grinder, backed by the Airman PDS 185S air compressor. A reliable setup, but it's the blade at the tip that makes the difference. This isn't ordinary cutting. This is high-pressure, load-bearing concrete with steel inside and time constraints outside. Every second counts. The Ghost blade performs with remarkable speed and smoothness. On average, it takes just 10 minutes to slice through each 500 millimeter pile. Clean, controlled, and consistent. And the lifespan? That's where Ghost truly earns its name. We've tested others before, says the site supervisor, but none compare. This blade doesn't just cut fast, it keeps cutting. It lasts longer, reduces downtime, and protects our tools. The project manager echoes the sentiment. It may cost more up front, but in the long run, it saves us more. Less changeover, less maintenance, and far fewer breakdowns. That's why we only trust GHOST. From the first pile to the last, Ghost continues to deliver precision under pressure, allowing crews to stay ahead of schedule and meet critical milestones. In heavy-duty construction, time is money, and the Ghost blade delivers both, performance and value. So whether you're cutting 1 pile or 1,000, there's only one name contractors remember: COOLMAN GHOST, when every cut matters.